Dear friends, I'm Abhay. Welcome to my channel, Before World. Today, I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence, which will be our future. Now, here, how they will help us. Let's discuss this more briefly. We are going to talk about some of the intelligence related area, and automated transportation is one of them. It will prevent accidents because it has more advanced information by AutoDrive. As we all know, a trusted company Google has given the statistics to the automation about different levels of report which can help us to take decision and help robotics. I want to thank you for your support and love. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If already subscribed, then press the bell button for alert. Japan is one of the country that uses the auto drive in its means of transport. Cyborg technology. Now, this technology is going to help the disabled and give them more abilities by giving them a robotic limbs. This is the example how it will help them. Next, taking over dangerous jobs. This will help to doing jobs such as defusing bomb and also help army and valuable people to defend squad life by helping for the nation. Defense unit. Now, next one. Solving climate change. Now, robot can give the upcoming weather or disasters related information which can save life. Now next, robot as friend. Whoever thinks so that robot will come out from movie and become our friend. There was an incident happened in Japan. A robot named Paper having thousands of stocks sold in a minute of a time because it judges gestures and feeling of human. Here, improved elder care. This technology will help elder and older one to get replaced from the human care. Now, here we have talked about the topic which is used to make a life safe and comfort. Google CEO Sundar Pichai launched Google I/O, which is based upon artificial intelligence, which will help mobile industry as well as robotic industry. I welcome your suggestion. Please give comment and likes. Thank you for watching my video and have a nice time.